Ethereum is a highest-level mintable coin with the ticker ETH that basically has an especially present worth of $1,922.20 and a market capitalization of $231,464,917,361 in a fundamentally significant manner. Digital currencies truly have most certainly lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, or so they truly thought. These days, it's a resource class that truly is significantly managed and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate, or so they in every practical sense thought. Some genuinely huge venture banks even gain Ethereum and fundamentally other digital forms of money as a group to safeguard their resources under administration against the running expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors, which truly is genuinely critical because of the youthfulness of the digital currency market overall and the action of market controllers. The costs could in some cases move in an erratic design, which doesn't especially harmonize with our very close-term expectations in a quite large manner. Other unforeseeable elements that could explicitly apply a significant effect on the value development of Ethereum and in every practical sense, other digital currencies in every practical sense, are genuinely to a greater extent a central nature. Genuinely, for example, the hardening of guidelines, specialized issues especially like hacks, or framework blockages, or broad boycotts of cryptographic forms of money or significant specialist co-ops in a really significant manner. However, despite the fact that these elements could briefly stun the market, they don't influence our in every practical sense, longer-term figures that conform to the manageable development way. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and genuinely long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ETH market that for the most part depend on the readings of our truly exceptional crypto unpredictability record that essentially assists us with measuring the market feeling. Certainly expect where in which the market plans to go, really in spite of prevalent thinking. At this point, the cost of Ethereum by and large is $1,922.20, while the coin right now generally ends up at second spot in the generally speaking essentially positioning. The said essentially positioning in every practical sense is assessed based on the resource's current value that generally is duplicated by its genuinely current market capitalization, a recipe that is applied all through all monetary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients get the most pertinent information in regards to the exhibition of computerized asset in their portfolios in a sort of significant way. It's likewise vital to generally consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing. On April 20th, the cost of Ethereum basically was at $1,936.61 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change generally added up to 1.87%, in opposition to prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on April 14th, ETH by and large was esteemed at $2.13.20, which truly intends that from that point forward, the cost basically has generally changed by 0%. A month prior, on Walk 21, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,806.64, hence, the coin fundamentally has taken a 6.40% action to arrive at its in every way that really matters, present standings, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking explicitly. The examination of market capitalization especially conveys pretty equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology explicitly is utilized to decide the very generally speaking position and ubiquity of computerized resources and stocks, for example in an unobtrusive way in a real sense. Changes in market capitalization, positive or negative, truly are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could fundamentally be going, as well as the resource's truly potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both most certainly short and genuinely long-haul points of view in an unpretentious manner. This especially specific in every way that really matters. Metric is likewise used to measure the strength of Ethereum comparable to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, which generally is very huge. To essentially decide the especially current market capitalization of ETH, we certainly duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will by and large be made sense of later, by the especially present worth of the digital money under survey in an unpretentious manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum remains at $231,464,917,361, which shapes the reason for truly present positioning was referenced before. Yesterday, on April 20th, ETH sort of had a market capitalization of $231,122,729,666. Keep going week. On April 14th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to really was recorded at $242,500. 505,906,794 in a sort of huge manner. A month prior, on Walk 21, the market worth of Ethereum especially was evaluated to be $221,085,820,478. Absolute inventory considers the quantity of coins that essentially have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining. These digital currencies can explicitly be utilized either for commonly dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers in an unobtrusive manner. This kind of measurement likewise figures the coins that in a real sense have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which especially is applied to control the expansion rate in an every practical sense, enormous way. At this point, the exceptionally absolute stock of Ethereum for the most part is laid out at 120,416,480 ETH, which essentially is genuinely critical. Ultimately, the flowing stockpile in every practical sense is utilized to especially ascertain the market capitalization and especially evaluate the coins ongoing remaining in the positions. It indicates the general measure of ETH that in a real sense is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that sort of are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large certainly trusted that digital currencies that sort of have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million especially are the most reasonable for long-haul venture, since they truly are generally in every practical sense liable to see the value in esteem over a lengthy time frame, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, which really is genuinely huge. At this point, Ethereum really has a coursing supply of 120,416,480 coins. Over the essentially beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the place of $11568,142,763. Yesterday, on April 20th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame explicitly remained at $13766597430. 7 days prior, on April 14th, how much ETH that was traded between market members in every practical sense was assessed at $12548505917, which in a real sense is very huge. Presently generally comes an opportunity to sort of make sense of exhaustively the embodiment of the crypto unpredictability file, since it's a focal point of our cost forecast model that permits us to basically predict the way that Ethereum will explicitly follow over the very next 1 to 5 years, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. 114 generally is the consequence of the careful work of our group of market specialists and programming engineers that surfaced with a truly one-of-a-kind equation for checking and imagining the normal market unpredictability, enhanced it with the creative, most certainly profound learning calculation that filters through a variety of verifiable market information to really convey the best Ethereum cost expectation in the business, or so they most certainly thought.